Emails isn't a new technology. Instead, it's almost 50 years old that is still being used widely. Email marketing proves time and time again to be one of the most effective avenues in digital marketing. And do you know that at least 78% of consumers check their emails on daily basis? So it's not surprising to conclude that email marketing is the most effective marketing strategy. Hi guys, my name is Shelly and in this video I will be talking about how to master your email marketing strategy. If you are not using email marketing strategy in your business, then let me tell you here that you will be lagged behind from your competitors. So just grab your notepads, pen and paper and hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel as well. The main aspect that is required to master the email marketing strategy is building the perfect email list. For that, I would suggest you to not buy an email list, instead build one. Give users time to become your subscriber on their own. This will actually allow you to add warm prospects in your list. What you can do is to convince users to become your subscriber. You can give them a free trial of your service or maybe an offer like 50% off on your first purchase if you are selling a product. In this way, they will read your email and this is how your open rates will go up. This will definitely give you quality leads that will in return give you sales. And if you made a mistake of buying an email list that actually contains emails of unknowns who do not even know about your product or service, it will surely have a negative impact on your business. So if you are serving them with valuable content, then no one can stop them from becoming your actual customers. Okay, let's move ahead with the second point, and that is keeping and maintaining a healthy email list. See, now after you have the targeted list of emails with you, start to keep a check on the ones who are not reading your emails. This will help you to clear the unrequired email addresses that are not opening your emails. Okay, remove the unnecessary emails from your email list every 5 to 6 months so that you have more potential subscribers. You must be thinking, what's the point of removing these emails who are ignoring your emails, right? I know many of you would be thinking this. See, if your emails are not opened by your viewers or subscribers, then there will be a high chance of your mail going into spam boxes, and you don't want this, right? So better remove the unrequired emails from your list. Okay, and the last important tip to excel the email marketing strategy is sending valuable and desired emails. Well, do you listen to songs on Spotify? If yes, then you must have observed that they mail you whenever you listen to songs of your favorite singer. They do that just to notify you that your favorite songs have arrived. So you can also do the same. You can adopt this strategy by sending emails to the people who are interested in buying your product. But remember to send emails whenever they are on your site looking for something. Make sure you are not irritating your subscribers by sending too many emails. Okay, target the viewers at the right time so that they get valuable and desired emails from you. If your customers are happy by your product or service, then only they will end up buying something whatever you have to offer. Okay, believe me, if you follow my mentioned strategy, you will definitely see some massive changes in your email marketing journey. So these were the 3 simple tips that will surely help you to run a successful email marketing campaign. At last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in that group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.